Welcome. In front of me is Honor 20 Lite, and today I'll show you how to enable and set up the portable hotspot. Now to get started, let's pull down the notification panel and add the hotspot toggle to our list right here. So what you're going to do is press on that pencil right over here and find the hotspot, which for me is the first option. So you want to basically hold it. This will allow you to drag it around and simply drag it over here, drop it, click on done, and there we go. Now once you have added it, hold the toggle, and this will take us to the settings where we can quickly change things like our hotspot password. So let's tap on the configure LAN and hotspot and tap on the password. You can tap on the I right here to basically see what it is set by default, and by default it is just some random trash. So let's remove this and set our own. There we go. Now it does need to have 8 characters in length, as you can see right over here. Once it does, you can save it. And also you have on the top hotspot name. This is just going to be the name of the Wi-Fi visible in the list. So if you want to change it, you can. If you don't want to bother, then it will work as well without actually changing it. You're just going to be looking for a hotspot name by the name of Honor 20 Lite. And from there you also have a last option right here. So mobile hotspot turns off timer, which basically makes the hotspot turn off automatically when it's not being used, and by default it is set to be 5 minutes of inactivity, but you can change it to, for instance, 10 or never. Now I would advise you to maybe change it to 10, but never, I not really recommend it. You sometimes might forget about the fact that you have enabled it, and without the hotspot, or while the hotspot is actually enabled, you lose things like your Wi-Fi. So if I believe enable Wi-Fi and then hotspot, it should turn it off. Yep, there we go. So you can see that it turns off Wi-Fi. That is because it is using those antennas to actually broadcast your hotspot. So right now it's enabled by, as you've seen, I enabled it by simply tapping on it, and right now people can connect to it. So once I'm done, I can either turn it off myself by tapping on the toggle, or like we did before with the settings, just wait the 10 minutes that I have set it to, and it will turn off automatically. But that being said, that is how you'd set it up and use it. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.